Yo, obviously people, I'm on to Akko. If you don't know, get to know. I got a video lot today, yeah? I got a beamer for you lot. Not got one, but I got two. Two fucking M cars. Yo, people, don't try this at home. Parental guidance, you know what I'm saying? My YouTube, yeah?
Give me your YouTube.
Yeah, Abo to Akko, yeah? Hey. Cars. Yeah, I got an M4 and I got an M3 there for you lot, yeah? They're there waiting for you lot to see what's going on. So obviously, we're gonna go out there, see what's cracking. Listen, today it's not about how fast the car is. Today it's about drifting the fucking cars. I ain't drifting no fucking cars. Me, everyone knows me as a straight liner. I'll have to admit that. But yo, one of them is pushing about 500 brake, one of them is stock, but forget all of that, man. Let me just show you. Less talking, more action. You know what I'm saying? Come. What are you saying, bro? You good, yeah?
Yeah, man. All good. You?
Yeah, man. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Yo, appreciate you for taking our time out your day to, you know, to come down. Because yo, it's long overdue. We were supposed to do this like what, like a year ago.
Should have done it in the Merc. Should have done it in both, shouldn't we?
No, I know, but the thing is,
and then you'd have seen the switch then between the fucking
yeah.
Merc and the Beamer.
Would you say the Merc and the Beamer are like the same car?
Nah, bro.
What, two different cars?
The Merc's good for like long distance autobahn driving. Do you know what I mean? It's just a muscle car, mate. It's just pulled. Hit numbers on the motorway. Sounded good, it was comfy, luxury.
Fucking loud out, it's fucking nuts, mate. I'll tell you that for free.
This is just performance, mate.
Yeah. So what's the fuel like on the with that car and this?
On the Merc, mate, it was about what, 12 to the gallon on it, 13 to the gallon. This isn't too bad.
Wow.
On a run, mate, you probably get about 36.
Yeah, we're not. Fuck that. I would have sold the car immediately, yo.
6.2 V8 though on it, so
yeah.
It was maps and that, but this is good. These are more refined, I think. The Merc was more like a raw car, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But this is more refined, mate. Performance driving, like I say, track days and drifting and
yeah.
This is the one.
Yeah, man. And you said to me that this is currently pushing stage 1 with
stage 1. Just a few bolt-on mods, exhaust, uprated charge cooler pipes, about 520 brake, just a flash mat. Yeah. Lowered.
Sweet.
The roll cage in there, the wheels.
And you said this is like a track focused, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Are you planning to do anything more towards than what's already been done?
I won't mind some seats on it, a bit more fucking aero bits on the bumper. I don't know. It's not sick as it is, doesn't it?
Yeah, look. You look
not
grizzly.
hardcore track, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's just, I'm not balls in with the track days, but
the seats are comfortable, you know.
Yeah, they are.
Why, when you were doing your thing, comfortable.
Yeah,
sick.
Memory seats heated and that. They are comfy, but he touched the back of the cage a little bit, and I'm obviously quite tall, do you know what I mean? I sit far back, so I can do something in a seat.
Yeah, check.
Do something in a seat, but instead of putting the fucking seat, you start losing your comfort then, don't you?
Yeah, so there's his Instagram, people, if you're interested, yeah? So, boom. But yeah, man, proper. So, listen, we're not going to talk too much, yeah? Because obviously I know you lot are itching to see action, you know what I'm saying? And he's itching to see action, so we're all itching to see action, so let's get it gritty, you know what I'm saying? So let's go. Nasty. Yeah, mental. Let's hear this one. Go on, let's hear this one. Yo, these Beamers are loud, yo.
This is it, bro.
Fucking loud. Yo, what's this got on as well?
This is an IPE exhaust system.
Okay, is it? Nice.
Full system, yeah.
Nice.
Just doesn't have the verbals, bro. Jake's got it with the back in it, so
Oh,
just
okay.
pop the bangs after it, but
Yo. Yo, taking a piss, mate. Yo, you already know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Oh. 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 Nasty. Nasty. Look at that. Look at that. Nah, come here. Nah, say it, bro. Yo, I'm selling my car. I'm selling my car. I'm selling my car, yo. Bro, I'm selling my car, people. Fuck that. Yo, I'm selling my car. Bro, I'm selling my car, yo. Oh, look at his back again, yo. The one wasn't enough. Woo. Nasty. Nasty. What you saying? What you saying? Double trouble. Double trouble. I'm greedy. Yo. Yeah, let me jump in. Yo. That was nasty.
Sick, yeah?
That was nasty, bro. Yo, people. Gonna give you more of an inside view this time. You know what I'm saying?
I need that on my phone.
Yo.
Real.
Oh my
Let me
days.
tell him to film it.
Oh. You're silly. Yo, where my glasses at, yo? Yo, people, I can't breathe, yo. I can't breathe. Yo, I sold my car, yo. Oh, I'm selling my car. Everyone wants an S3, yeah, 23 plate. I'll give you a cheap 23 quid. 23 quid. Nah, fuck that, 25 quid. It's yours. You know what I'm saying? What are we saying? Put seatbelt on.
You go first, yeah?
What are we saying, people? Should I put my seatbelt? Nah, fuck him, put my seatbelt on, yo. Yeah, he's putting his seatbelt on. Fuck that.
I'm putting mine on, you put yours on.
Yeah, sweet, bro. Oh, mate.
Let this NPC move out of the way.
Standard. Fuck it up, people. Oh, people. Don't try this at home. Parental guidance. You know what I'm saying? Yo, GTA, fam. You know what I'm saying? Yo! What the fuck? Yo! Shit! What the hell?
Good mind it.
Yo, I'm sick, bro! Yo! Look at some people, I'm sold my car, yeah? Anyone wants this car, yeah? 25, I'll sell it, yo. I'm now officially a BMW guy.
Told you make this happen.
You know what I'm saying? You know what's crazy, people? It feels like I've not got a seatbelt on, but I've got a seatbelt on. What you say, boss? Oh, shit! shit! Oh, shit! Yeah, man, what are you talking about, man? That is sick, yo. Oh my days. Yo. Oh.
Fueling all tires.
Standard shit. Yo, fuck me, people. That was fucking nasty, mate. And even he fucking liked it, yo. Look at it, yo, look at him. They got fucking, you made their day, bro. You made their day, look at him. Fucking hell. Yeah, look at it, spotting him. Yo. What you say, bro? My YouTube, yeah?
Give me your YouTube.
Yeah, Abo to Akko, yeah? Hey.
Then, wait a second. Hey, you're right, you said because...
What you say, yeah? Man just got
Nice
some new
one, bro,
subscribers.
yeah.
Come on.
Come on, bro. Fucking hell, it's nice.
Yeah, sick in it.
Why is the BMW M3, what?
Yeah, M2 and then M3.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Fuck, sick.
Yeah, put number 2 because it's in a different language, innit?
Oh, yeah.
2. Yo, subscribe, man. Yeah, man.
Of
Yeah,
course,
man.
bro, come on.
Yeah. Just getting some new subscribers. New subscribers as well. A.
Right.
A.
It's gonna be easier.
O. 2 Akko. What are you saying?
Yeah,
Subscribe.
Yeah,
Yeah, G.
man, yeah,
What are you talking about? Yeah, G. What?
Is that yours, bro?
Nah, that's theirs. They bought it. That's their monster. You know what I mean? Don't try that at home, bro.
No, bro.
Don't try that at home.
It's nice.
You know what I mean?
Car, bro.
It's a monster, man. It's a serious monster.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, bro? You can try it on GTA. You can get the car on GTA and do it on GTA, but don't do it on
Bro,
the
I
street.
have a GTA.
Huh?
You know GTA?
GTA?
Yeah, GTA.
You play GTA?
I'll show you, bro. The car.
Say, lad.
On it.
Yeah? Alright, so yo, what we saying, people? Yo, so we're jumping with Sam, yeah, in his car today. So they're gonna quickly head to the petrol station, catch some flybys. But yo, like I said to you people, I already sold my car, man. These guys already sold it to me, man. You know what I'm saying? Team BM. I know I really shouldn't be saying it, but fuck it, man. Team BM. Yeah, I want to be able to just get aggy with it, man. I want to get aggy. You can't get aggy with that S3. You know what I mean? You can just about get aggy with it with the new RS3 with the drift mode, but it's not the same though, is it though, people? You know what I'm saying? Well, unless someone's got an RS3, yeah, 8Y, and they can drift, shout me. I want to see what you're saying, compare it with the BM, the M3s and the M4s. But yeah, this one. What is this? How greedy? Fuck. If one BM wasn't enough, what, 2? Yeah, mental. What, mate? You said this is stock, innit?
This is stage 1, this drop.
Oh, stage 1?
Yeah,
okay.
It's due by, it was due before I got the car.
Ah, yeah, you said that. Yeah. So what's this, 500 as well, or is this just shout
This is
500?
about 520, same as Jake, yeah.
Nice.
We've been on track, we did Anglesey circuit about 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Whenever Jake was behind me, he was on my bumper.
Okay.
So vice versa,
So have these two got the same engine, or are they different engines?
identical, yeah.
Identical.
This is just literally a coupe, and that's just a 5-door, so that's the only difference really.
Oh, really?
Between the 3 and the 4, yeah.
Okay, so that's an M3, that's an M4. Obviously, I'm not much. I don't really know much about BMW, so I find it a bit odd that they're both the same engine. Both got the same. They both stock the same numbers stock, or is it slightly different?
Yeah, I think the 425 stock.
425.
These are the pre-facelift, so they're the non-comps. So
Okay.
They did this shape from 2014 to like 2016, I think. And
Yeah.
then they brought facelift out, and then the availability of the competition package.
Okay.
These are just, yeah, like the first generation of the F-Series, basically.
Yo, people, check this. Sexy. It's Beamer boys, man. Fucking sold it to me, bro. What we saying, people? Literally though, I've sold my car, man. I don't know how many times I've got to repeat myself. Oh, yo, they're giving me another one. Cheeky little buggers. Check this one out. Oh, they're coming tees. They're coming tees. Ooh. Ooh. Nasty. Fuck off. They're coming twos. They're not coming ones. They're coming twos. Don't forget that. You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen, yeah. Fucking, I stumbled there.
Just making sure my fucking GoPro don't come off.
Yeah, but where is it actually?
On the back window.
Alright, sweet. Yo, listen. Yo, listen, yeah, people. If you like that video, yeah, yo, there's gonna be a part 2. This guy is yo, shit. Fuck. Listen, yeah, there's gonna be a part 2 in this video, yeah. We're gonna get another video on the M4 alone. You know what I mean? Because obviously. Yo, what we saying, people? Listen, yo, today's been an absolute blast. Fucking Jake showing me how to fucking drive a fucking. Yo, listen, yeah. I'm gonna end the video, but before I end the video, people, I just need to tell that, you know, he has sold me. He has sold it to me, yeah. I am now a Beamer. I'm now a BM. Yo, fuck Aldi's, fuck Mercedes, yeah. Fuck the fucking, I don't know, what else is there? Fucking, yeah, it's nah, I can't lie, people. Like, I shouldn't even be saying this on live, but yo, shout out to BM. Like, brah, like, oh shit. Yo, bro, listen, Jake, yo, I appreciate you for shouting. Yo, I appreciate you, yeah, for coming down. This was long overdue, weren't it? It was supposed to be in the C63, but man, we got it in the M3 instead. Even better, bro.
Fun, innit?
It was fucking sick, bro.
Nice one, bro. Thanks for today, mate.
Nah, thank you for coming through.
Love your YouTube, man. It's popping off, man. You're going in the right direction.
I appreciate that, brother.
Sick, man.
Appreciate that. Well, yeah, listen, people. If you like that, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Part 2 with Sam.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you lot ready for Sam, yeah?
All the M's.
You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. But listen, yeah, I'm gonna lock off now. I've got another video I'm gonna go down to Liverpool, APS, Declan. I'm coming. So, oh my god. Bro, let's go and see what it's saying. Currently, the UK's fastest. So, that is crazy works. But yeah, I'm gonna go down now. But people, if you like that, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna put both the Instagrams at some point in the video. So if you're interested in that, follow them.
That shit's gone flying everywhere in here. I don't know where.
Bro, I am not surprised.
Money, fucking.
Don't forget petrol. But yeah, that's me gone. Off.